So it would have rapid prototyping spaces, it'll have the 3D printers, and then it'll also have like a section where they don't have to walk to the complete opposite side of campus to go to the wood shop. I'm really hoping the Innovation Hub is like the makerspace on steroids.
With the Innovation Hub being like a collection of all these resources and professionals who know what they're doing, as well as students who fortunately have had the experience prior to college and they can help guide other students.
To be an entrepreneur and to have all that, you got to have the fire in the belly, to have some leadership, drive something, be innovative, and put it all together. And I think that this facility will provide, the technical support.
Students will be able to prototype, they'll be able to work in teams. It'll be more of a collaborative place where teachers, alumni, students, outside people from the community, businesses can all come and work together to design really great innovative solutions to meet our big problems in the world.